Hello, welcome in my kitchen today. As always, I am bringing you another easy and quick recipe. Today, I want to show you how I make parathas. Parathas are traditional Pakistani breakfast, but you can have it anytime in the day. We normally have them with leftover curry, omelette, sweet yogurt, pickles. They just taste yummy. Let's get started. First of all, we need to make a round ball of the kneaded dough, of the wet dough. We dust it with flour a few times so that it doesn't stick to the board. Then we stretch it in a round shape and apply some oil. So I'm applying some oil here, and then I will spread the oil on the whole surface. Now I am folding it in 3/4 lengthwise, and then I will fold it in 3/4 again towards the middle to make a square shape. I dust it with more dry flour. Now I pick it up and put it on the tawa, which is called a girdle. It's an iron girdle that we use to make parathas and chapatis. I let it cook for 20 seconds on one side, and then I apply some oil on it, and then I turn it around. Or flip it, you can say. After flipping it over, I cook it for another 15 to 20 seconds and then turn it around, I flip it. And this is how I repeat the process of flipping it after every 15 to 20 seconds so that there are brown spots all over the paratha and I can see that it is becoming crispy. You can see that the corner is not cooked yet, so I turn it around and put it in the center of the heat so that that area of the paratha can get cooked as well. I make sure that it is cooked on all sides. It is ready to be enjoyed. But before that, I'm going to make another one. पराठा, बैंगन का भरता, अचार, which is pickle and sweet yogurt. Just love it. Super yummy. You can have paratha on its own with sweet yogurt as well. The simplicity of this food is unimaginable. Nothing can beat this taste. So now I'm taking some pickle. I have some bangan. Meetha dahi. Superb. Too good. I just can't stop eating. It's too good.